Oh, you take care, oil can, man. You have a good one, man? It's starting to become a train wreck once again out here, all in the blacks out here. Take care, oil can, 296, Big Island, mini grass, got down. Hey, Brass, man, I'm trying to be like you, Brass. Brass, I'm trying to be like you out here working this small little station. Brass, 296, Big Island, mini grass, come on down.
Right back 296, so I got a range for you, man. You out in the bike, you got me.
Bye, Brass. Bye, Brass. You take care. You have a good one, Brass. Out here, right around the black walls. Take care, Brass. 296, Big Island, mini grass, waving, gone again. Okay, oil can, I got it down, oil can, I got it down, got the video gate rolling, oil can, 296, back quiet. Full 10, man, no doubt about it, man, oil can, it's always a pleasure, double measure, to spike the mic, throw it down, get on down on the Super Bowl. Oil can, as you hit the black walls out here on the Big Island, you take care. You have a good Sunday. I'm going to ease on back out here. Put some grub in the tub. Oil can, 296, Big Island, mini grass waving. I'll see you. Bye. Bye, oil can, 296. I said, I'll see you, bye. Take care, Brass, take care, oil can, take care. 903 Rooster, got it all down out here with the video gates, 296 waving, gone again. I'll see you. Bye.
Catch you later, 296.
Full 10, man. Okay, you guys take care. I'll put some grub in the tub. I'll catch you guys in a little while. You guys keep it on up. You keep blowing some skip all the way. I'll get on back. Take care. Oil can, 903 Brass. All the big time boys. 296 Big Island, this small little station waving. Back quiet.